Hello, good morning. This is Room Service Department. This is LMA speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Ayan and my room number is 123.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order, may I take your order now?
Can I order a continental breakfast? One regular coffee and one muffin.
Okay, ma'am. May I just suggest to our orange juice? It is also under in your continental of breakfast. Would you like me to add into your breakfast, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. I repeat your order. Your order, one regular coffee and one muffin before your breakfast. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charge into your room?
Just charge it on more.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served in 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Lorraine Chaimor? Room number 123.
Yes.
Here's your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Should I leave the food in your tray or do you want to put in your tray?
Just put it on the table, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you want to open the curtains to brighten up to your room?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your meal. Your regular coffee and your muffin. Is there anything else that I can do for you?
Something.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready, just call us and dial 111. Thank you. Enter your meal and have a nice day.